Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by adding your card now. First, unlock your iPhone and open Wallet. You need your physical card and bank info because Apple verifies ownership. Tap the plus sign, choose Add Card, then use the camera to scan or enter numbers manually. Once done, your bank will authenticate with a one-time code or app challenge. Follow those prompts. Make sure to accept terms and watch for confirmation that the card is ready for use. This is the critical first step. Once the card is added, complete verification. Your bank may send an SMS code or ask you to sign into its app. Enter the code promptly so Apple activates the card. Next, decide whether this card should be your default for payments or express transit. Open Wallet settings and set it. You also must enable Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. This secures transactions and speeds checkout. Make sure to confirm the card's last 4 digits match your card to avoid mismatches. You pay by holding your iPhone near the reader and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Double-press the side button on newer models to present cards quickly. For apps or websites, choose Apple Pay at checkout and confirm. This tokenizes data so your card number stays private. If a charge fails, restart your device, reselect the card in Wallet, and try again. If problems persist, contact your bank to check for authorization holds or security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.